Hey, today we're making some scalloped potatoes. I took 3 onions, 2 white onions and red onions, some garlic, and a little bit of butter. I'm going to make our sauce here to pour over the potatoes. So I'm going to heat this up, get it all nice and sauteed, add my cream of mushroom. But we're kicking it off with 3 onions and probably about 10 cloves of garlic in there, or a little piece of garlic chopped up and minced. And about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to this, and we're going to carry on. Okay, once the onions are nice and kind of sauteed there, we're going to add a couple cans of cream of mushroom soup. Okay, just as you can get the Campbell's, you can get Western Family, you can get whatever brand you want. And this is the condensed cream of mushroom soup. Gonna add a couple cans. I might do 3 cans, depending on if you like it extra saucy. You could do 3 cans. It's quick and easy. The hardest part is kind of just prepping it. You know, I have to cut all the potatoes and stuff. I'm going to add a little bit of a can of milk in there. Don't like to waste anything if I can help it, so I'm going to try to get all the extra stuff out of there while I put the milk in there. Hopefully that'll help get my the rest of that soup out of there. Okay, so there's got most of it there. Do that for the other one. Add 1 more can of milk. Then I'm going to bring that up to a simmer. I turned off my stove. I'm going to turn it back on to just to 4 there. Get the rest of my cream of mushroom soup out of here. Oh yeah, whip it up good. There we go. It's pretty much all of it right there. Oh yeah. Go recycle those. Put them in the recycle. Stir this up a little bit. I'm gonna add some paprika to that. I like paprika. Where's my paprika? Where has my paprika gone? Oh, there it is. Look for the bottle that says paprika. Voila. Put a little bit of paprika in there. You can add basil. If you like that, you can add all kinds of stuff. Speaking of which, I might add a little bit of basil in there if I have some. Looks like I'm fresh out of basil. Oh well, not a necessity. Okay, as that is kind of getting heated up a little bit, just so I can mix it together, I'm debating whether I should add 1 more can of cream of mushroom soup. I like it extra soupy. Got my potatoes peeled and sliced. So I'm gonna get my can out and pan out. Start making some vittles here. Now this is a pretty big pan here. I might be using this one. Sure, why not? This will be a little bit more shallow. I'm going to go spray my pan real quick. And I'm just using a regular canola oil cooking spray. I'm going to go outside and spray the pan so it doesn't get residue on my floor. 1 second. Okay, now comes the fun part. I'm going to actually start my oven and put it on bake at 400. go ahead and get that started. Okay, so I'm gonna start this off. First, we're gonna get our start making our base here. I'm gonna put down a spoonful of our combination of onions and cream of mushroom soup. Okay, so I did wind up adding another can just for the fun of it. I like lots of cream of mushroom soup, so there's that. Okay, now we're gonna put a layer of potatoes. Hopefully, all right. See if I got my layering down here correctly. I think. Okay. So there's that. Now I have some cheese, and this is just a mixture of like cheddar and mozzarella. Did I do that right or not? I think I'm supposed to put potatoes down. Yeah, I'm supposed to put the sauce down after. It's potatoes, and then sauce, then cheese, and potatoes. Potato, sauce, cheese. So potatoes. So I'm going to put a little bit of sauce on top of the cheese. They're a little bit out of sync there. That's okay though. It's all going to end up in the same place anyways, and it's going to be delicious. So potatoes. Sauce and then cheese. So this is our okay, get that kind of spread out there a little bit, like a little bit of cheese everywhere. Okay, you can put more cheese if you want. So it's potatoes, more potatoes. Okay, so potatoes, then we're going to go sauce. I need a bigger spoon, I don't know. There we go. And I like to get all my sauce all nice and into all the crevices and everything. Oh yeah, potatoes, sauce. Okay, it's looking good. And then we'll go cheese again. I like my cheese. And you can put as much cheese as you want or no cheese. I personally think the more cheese, the better. How's that looking, huh? There we go. Deliciousness. All right. I do kind of a thick layer of potatoes this time. No gaps, no gaps. Because I'm going to do something I haven't done before, and that's putting some tater tots on my scalloped potatoes. Now, I was thinking I wasn't going to have enough potatoes, but on hindsight, looks like I have plenty. I cut up about 10 potatoes or so. This is a rather large pan. I think it's 18 by 12 or something like that. It's a good sized pan. So having some family night, making some scalloped potatoes, it's going to be a good time. Who's getting hungry? There we go. All right. Let's do, another layer of sauce. So it's potatoes, sauce, and cheese. Potatoes, sauce, cheese. Okay. cover all that deliciousness. Alright. Okay, time for our cheese layer. Let's get a little bit more. Here we go. Alright, so this is kind of how it's going. I'm going to go ahead and pause real quick and I'll finish up here when I show you what I do when I do the tater tots on there. Alright, I'm going to do my final layer, and this time it's going to be tater tots on here. I like tater tots a lot. And I just had this idea, why not throw some tater tots on here? So that's what's going to happen. And I also had another idea. Like maybe next time I make scalloped potatoes, maybe I'll just use tater tots all together. Not cut up any potatoes at all. Be a nice little casserole, I think. So these are just your regular. These are seasoned shredded. It says seasoned shredded potatoes. I'm gonna make a nice little layer of this. That looking pretty good. A lot easier than cutting up the potatoes and all that. Okay, looking like we're getting a good coverage there. I'll use up the rest of my sauce. 1 second. Okay, so we got all my taters on there. Let's go ahead and pour our sauce over the top there, nice, and here we go. Try to get everything covered here if I can. Don't want any potatoes to feel left out because I didn't get any sauce on them. That's looking pretty amazing if I don't say so myself, but I just did, so get all that goodness. Oh yeah. Okay. Ah, I spilled, my goodness. Where's my spatula? I don't want to waste any of this. Goodness. Try not to waste food whenever possible. Alright, so get my little semi-spatula spoon out here. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. No sauce left behind. Okay. I think we got a majority of it. And right on time, our oven has reached 400 degrees. Okay. Now these, just kind of smush it down. Sauce is going to come up over the top. Get those down into the sauce if we can. The sauce to kind of get worked around in there too. So these guys need to be covered with sauce. Oh yeah. So you see I made 3 cans of that and I was still a little light on the sauce. So you can go lighter on your layers and then add a whole bunch of sauce to the top. Or you can kind of do what I'm doing, just kind of work it around and your sauce is going to come to the top a little bit. You can submerge your things in the sauce. Now, only one thing is left, my friends, and that is cheese. That's right. Add some more cheese there. Like a nice layer of cheese. How is that looking? Besides amazing. And yeah, let's do it some more cheese. All right, I'm going to cover this with some tin foil. Why not a little bit more cheese? How's that look, everybody? Besides amazing. I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. Throw it in the oven. You know what? I might actually turn it down a little bit because it's only 3. We don't have to be there till 6, so I could put it in there for at about 300, 350. Let's go 350. Okay. Or I could delay and put it in a little bit. I'm going to throw it in at 350 for a couple hours. Should be good. And when it's all done, well, when we're ready to go, I'm going to take the tin foil off, put it on broil to make it all nice and crispy on top, kind of watch it, and then they're ready to go. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Let's get it in the oven here, shall we? Okay. In we go. Nice. There we have it, and when we're ready to go, we'll pull that out. I'll show you too, so. Okay, stand by.